Hey guys, my name is Akil and welcome to btech guys. So in this video I brought you a lot of opportunities from different company. So let's see the first one, which is from the Caterpillar. This role is for the software engineering, okay, and this is for the batch 2022, 2023 and 2024 and the location is Chennai. Okay, so date posted is on Monday, around April 15th and applied by, you have around 3 days to apply for this job, right? Only April 21. Regular job. Let us see the description and the responsibilities here. So responsibilities includes designing, modifying, developing and writing and implementing software programs, applications for target system using agile methods, acquiring content requirements and resolving workflows problems through automation optimization, writing source codes for new applications or generating and enhancing code samples for existing applications, utilizing automated test tools to perform testing and maintenance. And skills required are applies and assign technique for critical thinking in a decision making process, identifies and obtains and organizes relevant data and ideas, participates in documenting data, ideas, players, stakeholders and process, recognize, clarifies and prioritize concerns, blah blah blah. Let's go down much more. Okay, I think I lost it somewhere. Yeah. So, in case if you are interested for this role, that is 2022, 2023 and 2024 batches, click on apply now here. So, it's a work day guys. So, as you all know, if it is a work day, you need to create an account before to apply for this job. So, I can't proceed further, so I will be stopping it here. Okay, and let us see the next one, which is from the Global Payments, and this is for the Associate Software Engineer for 2022, 23 and 2024 batches, and the location is Noida. Let us see few details about this. So the minimum qualifications is like, so bachelor's degree in engineering field, typically minimum 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in the development of freshers can also apply as it is mentioned 0. So 4 years college degree and 0 to 2 years professional experience in coding, designing, development and analyzing data with full life cycle design and development. So master's degree in computer science or information technology, anything is fine. Okay, essentially 0 to 1 year professional experience in IT industry. Okay, so in case if you're interested for this role, just click on apply now, and there you go. It's also workday. Just log in or create an account in the workday and apply for this job. Okay, and let us see the next one, which is from the NestorBird. They have released for the fresher developer role. So the question overview: we are seeking passionate and talented individuals for the role of fresher developer. This is an excellent opportunity for recent graduates or those with minimal industry experience to kickstart the careers in software development. Responsibilities: assistant in design, development and testing of software applications. Write clean, efficient and maintainable code following best practices. Collaborate with team members to understand project requirements and deliver solutions. Debug and troubleshoot issues to ensure smooth software functionality. Learn new technologies, frameworks and methodologies as required. Participate actively in team meetings, discussions and code reviews. Contribute innovative ideas and solutions to enhance project outcomes. So requirements: let us see bachelor's or master's degree, strong passion of software development and eagerness to learn and grow, basic understanding of programming languages, Python, Java, C++, familiarity with the fundamental concept of software development, ability to work collaboratively with team environment, excellent problem solving and analytical skills, strong communication skills and ability to express ideas clearly. So let us see the desired skills, non-mandatory but a plus. So exposed to any programming languages or framework through internship projects and courseworks, knowledge of version control kit, understanding of databases, web technologies, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, experience with any development tools or IDEs, and benefits: mentorship, opportunity to work on diverse projects and gain hands-on experience, competitive compensation package, room for career growth and skill development within the company. So very good description and everything. So in case if you are interested and if you are a fresher to apply for this role, just fill all your details: your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, how soon you can join us, tomorrow, within 1 week or 2 weeks. So mention today itself. Okay, and let us see where are you based from. So, and ready to relocate, select yes and upload your resume. And is there anything that you would like to mention that would help us you to shortlist? Just mention all your skills in case if you have any publications and your project showcase. Just fill all those here, so it will be making you to stand apart from all the candidates. Okay, so just do that. And let us see the next position from the Altair. So they have released for software QA intern, and the stipend would be around 20 to 30k per month. Okay, so let us see the summary. So as a software quality assurance engineer, you will design and write tools that will be used to test product quality. You will see your work become reality. So what you will do, enhance existing automation frameworks to test new functionality, perform meshing benchmark studies, adding new automation libraries using PyTest, Agile, work on the task in sprints and demo progress at the end of the sprint. So basics, bachelor's degree, knack for fast-paced problem solving, Python 3, Bash, TCL, and understanding of experience with Linux, understanding and design, learn about type performance computing, excellent communication, and so what they are offer, paid holidays, competitive salary, outstanding work-life balance, collaborative environment. So in case if you are interested for this role, just click on apply now here. This is for the software QA and anybody can apply as a engineer. So the first step is the registration process, that you need to enter your email address, password and retype password. Just fill all those details and click on this button. So as I can't proceed further, I will be stopping it here. So let us see the next one, which is from the Micron Technologies. They have released software engineer and the salary package would be around 8 to 15 lakhs per month. Annum. Let us see the responsibility and task. Planning, development, testing, implementation, structure and BOM management experience. Strong experience in AWC installation, configuration and customization. And so qualifications like same qualifications etc. Just program experience with ITK, AWS customization, C++, Java scripting languages, and programming problem solving skills. So nothing much you can get from this, but in case if you are interested for this role, just click on apply here. So it is asking you to drop your resume. Just upload your resume here and fill the next steps. So these are the jobs for today. So I will be posting all the links in the description box, guys. Do feel free to apply as soon as possible. And always, I will also post a lot of cool deals in the description box. Do check out, and in case if you like, just buy it. That's it in this video, guys. Let's catch up in another video. To follow up more jobs and coding round questions and everything, just do subscribe our channel btech, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.